Hello friends, I'm a tutor with Uplatz and today I'm going to tell you business intelligence. For more information about Uplatz, please find the link mentioned in the presentation, website link mentioned in the presentation. And today's topic table of content is what is business intelligence, why we need business intelligence tools, advantages, features of business intelligence platform, business intelligence dashboards, key differences between dashboards and reports, dashboard screenshots. Let us see what is meant by business intelligence. The term business intelligence refers to the technologies, applications, and practices for the collection, integration, analysis, and presentation of business information. Business intelligence is a technology-driven process for analyzing data and presenting actionable information which helps executives, managers, and other corporate and end users make informed business decisions. Business intelligence encompasses a wide variety of tools, applications, methodologies that enable organizations to collect data from internal systems and external sources, prepare it for analysis, development, and run queries against the data, and create reports, dashboards, and data visualizations to make the analytical results available to corporate decision makers as well as operational workers. In simple words, we can say business intelligence is delivering relevant and reliable information to the right people at right time with the goal of achieving better decision and faster decisions. And business intelligence takes the vast amount of data generated by the business and present it in a meaningful, actionable ways. So we are going to get the actionable insights from the data which is collected through the business in any of the organizations. Why we need business intelligence? Business intelligence platforms enable people import, clean, and analyze data from databases, emails, videos, survey responses, and more. In the organizations where the data-driven culture is present, they will be having a repository called the data warehouse, where the data will be stored. Data about the business will be stored in that repository, that is in the data warehouse. There we are going to clean the data and then we are going to integrate it and then we are going to analyze that data for getting the actionable insights. And we may get the data from the databases, emails, videos, survey, responses, and more. These data analysis provide mobile, desktop, and real-time business intelligence so decision makers can act on insights to improve their organizations. And this actionable insights which are gained through data which is available in the organization can be viewed in mobiles and desktop. And with the help of this insights, decision makers can gain the useful insights from the business. BI platform allow users to customize dashboards and create stunning data visualizations, build scorecards, and compare them to key performance indicators. These insights will be present in the form of reports and dashboards. And these dashboards contains key performance indicators. Key performance indicators are the indicators. By using these indicators, we can evaluate our business. Organization must be data-driven and promote a data-driven culture. For implementing business intelligence platform, the organization must be data-driven and promote a data-driven culture. That means we have to maintain a data-driven culture. That means there should be a information technology platform where we can fetch the data from the business. Business intelligence platforms are more robust and dynamic and can adapt as you grow your business intelligence strategy. Before implementing business intelligence strategy, we have to develop business strategy. What are the plans we are having for running our business and how we are running our business in the market? So we have to develop a strategy and then we have to implement the business intelligence platform. And the business intelligence platforms are dynamic in nature. That means the information we are gaining through the business intelligence platform, it can be customizable. There are various business intelligence tools are available in the market, such as SAP Business Intelligence, MicroStrategy, DataPoint, SAS Business Intelligence, Yellowfin Business Intelligence, ClickSense, Zoho Analytics, CSense, Microsoft Power BI, Clear Analytics, Tableau, Oracle BI, Domo, IBM Cognos Analytics. These are some of the business intelligence tools which are available in the market. Then what are the advantages of using business intelligence tools? It helps to accelerate and improve decision making of our business, optimizing internal business processes, increasing operational efficiency, driving new revenues, gaining competitive advantage over business rivals, assisting companies in the identification of market trends, and spotting business problems that need to be addressed. We can say inefficient business processes and hidden patterns can be identified with the help of business intelligence platform. And we can identify the areas of strengths and weaknesses of our business. And we can discover the new opportunities. What are the new opportunities available in the market? And we can recognize the patterns and trends of our business by implementing business intelligence platforms. For example, if we take the retail store, there in the retail store, manager will be present and he manages his business with the help of the stores as well as online shopping. The people who are using online shopping, they may get a loyalty card. It's some kind of discount for the products which they are going to purchase it from the store. When they enter the number associated with the loyalty card, and that number, that is unique identification number, will be entered in the database. So how it is useful? So it can be used to understand how loyal they are to our brands or the products what they are purchasing and what kind of products they are purchasing, how frequently they are purchasing those products, what is their preferences of buying, whether they want to purchase it online or whether they want to visit the store and then purchase. So this kind of information we can gain by implementing business intelligence platform. Then what are the features of business intelligence platform? Customizable dashboards, data visualization, report scheduling with security specifications, data quality management and oversight for IT departments, natural language processing to discover new insights from the data like videos or social media platforms, faster data mining capability, performance tracking against KPIs. So these are some of the features which are mentioned for business intelligence platform. The information presented to the end users, it can be customizable. That means we can change it as per the requirement or as the business needs changes in the market. And the information will be represented in the form of visuals. So it is very easy to understand the insights of our business by going through the visualizations in the form of charts, graphs, or cross tables, and more. And we can schedule the reports, and we can also provide the security for those reports. That means we can provide the access privileges for the reports and dashboards we are creating with the help of BA platform. Who can access the report or who can access the dashboard? And we can improve the data mining capability. It involves like cleansing the data, extracting the data first, and then cleansing the data, and then integrating the data and analyzing the data. This kind of capabilities can be improved with a good pace. And we can compare the business with the target what we have fixed over a month or a quarter or a year. By that we can understand where your business is going on in the market, whether we are gaining a profit or we are incurring a loss in the market. These kind of strategies can be understood by using business intelligence platform. I was keep on telling we will get the insights and we will get the useful information for understanding the business. How this useful information will be represented? It will be represented in the form of dashboards. Now coming to the topic business intelligence dashboards. Business intelligence dashboards are information management and driven data visualization solutions used to analyze your data. And content creators can use interactive elements like filters and actions to combine charts, graphs, and reports in a single screen for snapshot overviews. Dashboards are one of the most popular capabilities of business intelligence platforms because they present easily understandable data analysis, allow you to customize which information you want to view, and provide a way to share the results of your analysis with others. So the information will be represented in the form of dashboards. And this dashboard contains the interactive elements like filters, actions, to combine charts, graphs, and reports in a single screen for a snapshot overview. The filters are used in the dashboard to limit the data or the range of data you want to see or the range of data you want to analyze. And the charts and graphs are visuals which represent the data in the form of pictures. And here we are going to add the interactivity by using actions in the dashboard. For knowing the detailed analysis of a particular product or a particular sale, we can go for the detailed analysis. And the detailed analysis can be achieved with the help of actions by adding interactivity. There is a difference between dashboards and reports. Then what are those key differences between the dashboards and reports? Dashboards or reports can work together to give a comprehensive view of trends and insights, but they are different. Dashboards can be updated in real time using cloud-based technology. They tend to be visual and interactive, allowing the user to engage with the information and create their own analysis. Reports, on the other hand, are static. They offer detail, but the end user must extract insights from a compilation of data. So here, we can prepare a detailed, analyzed report, but it cannot be refreshed. That means it is static in nature. Whereas dashboards, we can change the dashboard or we can make some changes to the dashboard as per the requirement, as per the business needs changes. That means dashboards are customizable in nature. So now I'm going to present you some of the dashboard screenshots for knowing what exactly the dashboard look like or what exactly a typical dashboard look like in various domains. Here I'm presenting the total loans and deposits, which is related to a banking dashboard. It is used in banking. And the finance dashboard. The finance dashboard is used in the finance sector or the domain. Here you can see the numericals written in the dashboard, big numerical numbers which are written in the dashboard. They are called as key performance indicators. And you can see the different types of charts, bar chart, stack bar chart, and the line chart. And this is an example for healthcare dashboard. It is patient satisfaction dashboard. Here you can view the information related to a patient. And then a sales dashboard. And this sales dashboard is used in marketing field for understanding the status of the lead. How many number of customers walking into the business and how many of them are converting into a leads. This type of information or the insights can be gained through the sales dashboard. Well, this is a overview of a business intelligence. What is business intelligence? Why we have to use business intelligence? What are the various tools available in the market? And what are the features of business intelligence? And what is the difference between report and dashboards? And some of the screenshots which gives the information collected from the different domain in the form of dashboards. I would like to thank Uplatz for providing me this wonderful opportunity to present my knowledge to their trainers, to their pupils. Thank you.